Hi friends, good to see you again. Today you will learn in this video how to use your mobile microphone in a laptop computer for recording. Okay, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Okay, now let's jump to the lesson. This method is one of the very useful method if you do not have a microphone, okay, and you want to record sound in high quality in your computer. This one is the very easiest way for you. Okay, let's jump to the lesson. Follow the steps properly. Okay, for this microphone you must need to connect your mobile and laptop in the internet. Then after go to the browser, then after type there Webcam Mic and hit enter, and in the first you can see Webcam Mic, click there and scroll down in the left side. On the left side you can find a download button. Then after scroll down and you can find how there Webcam Mic installed for Windows. Click there and download this application in your computer system. Okay, while downloading this application, then after you have to right click and just turn on as administrator. Okay, click the S, then click OK, and next, click next, install it. Okay, it installed very easily, and after you have to reboot your computer after installation. Okay, after restarting the computer, then after open this Webcam Mic client, open it and hold it. Then after you have to jump to the mobile and go to the Play Store, and here also search Webcam Mic and download it, install it in your device. It is installing, and after click open. Then after you can find on at the top side there play button. Okay, just hit the play button and keep the access. Yeah, it's done here. Now let's jump to the computer site. Here click on the connection, then after click the connect. There you have to enter the IP address of your mobile. Okay, this one is my IP address of mobile 192.168.1.67. just enter that IP address in your that computer system, then after just connect it. Okay, I'm going to enter here 67, then after just hit the connect button. Okay, after connection you can find out the connected and green icon in the mobile phone. Now you can use mobile microphone in your computer system, and I'm going to use here, and I'm going to give a demo to you. Okay, I'm here opening my OBS studio for the recording. Then after you have find out there microphone option, just click there, and after this is a mistake. Okay, just click that three dot and after click the properties, and here you have to choose Webcam Mic. Okay, and click OK. Yeah, this is the sound from my mobile microphone.
Hello, mic test 1 2 3. It's a recording, right? Else guys, you can record your voice through the phone using phone microphone. If you do not have the microphone, and this may be the one of the very easiest way to record sound in a high quality. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel, and see you again next video.